it's Scoop2 here with another video, and we have a guest star. Yeah. I'm FaceTiming her right now, so you might not be able to make clear since my audio isn't that clear. So today our video will be about trading. Sorry, I said training. Oops, sorry. Okay. So we will be trading. We don't really know a subject, but we'll just be trading for stuff. I need to do something. Hold on. That makes better. You put a tutu on? You have a tutu! Okay. Okay, so we have a limit of 15 minutes. We can't make this video longer than 15 minutes. Like, I'll keep pausing it so we have time to go somewhere or something. Wait, I need to check something. As you guys might have known, my last video had Wootmoo in it. Joe, do you know who Wootmoo is? Huh? Do you know who Wootmoo is? No. Oh, well, he's a YouTuber, and I encountered him yesterday. Cool. Oh, Twinkle's animal just looks so sick right now. I can pull off every part of that outfit except for the long spike. And then just change my username and say, hey guys, I'm Twinkle. Hey! Alright, let's just get to it. So we will pause this video and we will be back to you when we're ready to trade. Hey guys, we're here and we are ready to trade. We just found this is just like, well, this is just like freaky because wait, there's head feathers. I want a head feather. I want all the head feathers. I want the head feathers. I want this. Oh my gosh, I want a head feather. I want a head feather so badly. I want this one that I'm trading for. Guys, if you watch my videos, just please. I want it. Yes. Well, an eyeball hat too. Okay, let's do it. Oh man! Dang! Dang it! Oh my gosh! She's getting rid of them! No! I need to buddy her! This person? Gosh! What for what? I want these! I want these so bad! I want head feathers so badly! I want them! Oh my gosh! Like, I don't know where to trade. Save them for me. I try to get all of them. Okay? We're so like pink short and neon bow for my yellow long. Nah, I don't want a yellow long. Dude, we like get straight to the point with pink. Hold on, she's holding these. She's holding them so I can trade for them. She's so nice. I'm sweating. No, I want to keep that. Okay. Wait, I really want to friend this person. I want to friend this person, guys. I like how we're like buddying everybody that we like. It's like, yeah. Will you make me rich? Like, I'll be so happy if you make me rich. Yeah, this person actually accepted. What'd you get?
No, I didn't get anything, but she accepted my feathers.
Oh, okay. Yeah. This guy with a lot of head feathers accept. I'm trying to get him to accept mine.
No, I don't have problems with that, but I hate my laptop sometimes.
Come on, that's a good trade, wasn't it? Would you like to win 5 diamonds? Read the daily spoiler. No, she declined. Meanie. Where's the penguin? Oh, change eyeball. Okay, she wants me to change the eyeball. And then she'll accept. I really want this.
Dude, I see you. It's just like change eyeball.
It's like I want it. I can't hold myself back. I want it all. I want it. I want it.
Eyeballs are like weird.
I just can't get on tune.
Like change eyeballs.
It's like change the eyeball, man.
Dude, that sounds like so racist.
It's like change eyeball. Like I don't.
Change eyeball.
Like I don't want that junk. I do. I want the eyeball. I collect eyeballs. Oh my gosh, that sounds really weird. I collect eyeballs.
I want eyeballs.
Yes! Yay! I got it!
Got what?
The head feather. Can I have the rest? The rest?
You want something you
too?
wanted.
I'm so happy.
It's all over.
I'm asking her if I can have the rest too.
Dude, I'm over here like giving all my stuff away.
Can I have the rest too?
Give me stuff for my stuff. That's called a freaking trade, so.
Come on, just give me the rest. Come on, India Brown. I really like these. Hold on, I'm putting my new head feather on trade. Or not trade.
I have like 2 fake birthdays.
Oh, it looks sick. It looks sick, Joe. Come look at me. I'm in the mud. It looks sick. It looks awesome.
In the middle of the trade this up with that. No, get the phantom archway on there. Gosh dang me.
Now I'm trading for this orange one. It's like, I want this. I want it all. I want it. I want it. Be right. Hold on, I'm gonna pause the video. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back when she accepts. Hello, guys. We are back. Apparently she traded all the head feathers, so I only got one. But our guest star did leave. She said this was making her computer laggy, so she went to play Minecraft, and apparently she had to hang up. So yeah, stuff like that. So yeah. So hold on, I'm talking about something I don't know what it is. Fluffy diamond. Yeah. Hold on, I'm gonna see what I had feathers for, guys. And then after somebody trades me, then Oh, this country. See, train the unwanted head feather android. Okay. Feather entree. Sorry about that silence, guys. Just getting this on, getting this on. Um, hold on. What do I have? Don't I have a sticker force tail, guys? I don't know. I haven't. I almost separated it. I want eyeball hats, guys. If you watch my videos, I want eyeball hats. Alright, well guys, that's the end of my video. Sorry for the time. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!